Today, let us discuss on how we can make the consumer movement more vibrant. As you all know, we had phenomenal growth of voluntary consumer associations immediately after the passage of Consumer Protection Act 1986. Thousands of consumer organizations have come up, and within no time, many of these consumer associations vanished, and some still are there only as paper organizations. Why? Because somehow this consumer movement in India is at a very slow pace. We are not in a position to speed up the progress of the consumer movement. When we can take up the consumer problems in a more smart way to make people who are cheating the consumers understand that consumers as a group is a force to be reckoned with. This is how we can build consumer movement more stronger. And the best weapon in the hands of these consumer leaders is giving a call to boycott. If a particular store is well known for its fraudulent or deceitful activities, the leaders should give a boycott of the store. Boycott is nothing but protest against unfair trade practices. But today, we don't find such boycotts anywhere, in any corner of India. Earlier, we used to have. For instance, in pre-independence era, Mahatma Gandhi gave a call to boycott foreign goods, and people took his instructions in right earnest and stopped purchasing foreign goods. That ultimately resulted in the growth of Indian industry. It is both beneficial to the country as well as to the individual consumer. But what we are doing today, when onion prices go up to 100 rupees per kg, or when tomato rates go up to 80 rupees per kg, we are buying them. Why? Can't we boycott them? No, nobody would take such a resolve or resolution. Some years ago, in Calcutta, particularly in the fish market, when the prices of fish are going up day by day, they revolted against manipulation of fish prices, and they gave a call to boycott the fish market. So people stopped buying fish, though they very much relish fish. That decision of the West Bengal buyers ultimately bring the prices down. That's a very good example for a boycott in India. Montgomery bus boycott was very popular in the annals of history, where the boycott continued for more than 380 days. So ultimately, some leaders emerged from that boycott, and even Martin Luther King participated in that boycott, and he was the leader emerged by such boycott. Similarly, today, the consumer activists boycott a store or a product, definitely they can get the results which they are expecting from the company. Today, many of the stores, grocery stores in villages, those people are not issuing bills. So stop buying from the trader who is not issuing the bill. Definitely, he would understand the situation and then would try to give you bills. This kind of small boycotts are also we are not practicing. So my request to the consumer activists as well as the individual consumers is that if anybody is cheating you, if anybody is doing illegal business, if anybody is practicing unfair trade practices, boycott them, then you will definitely get a better consumer society. Thank you.
For more videos, please subscribe to our Gora Vinyogi channel presented by Dr. Samaram Multi-Channel Network, which has more than 18 crore views, and click the bell icon for notification of our new videos.
Please download Samaram Multi-Channel app and watch your favorite channels from your mobile. App available on Google Play Store and subscribe to the channels.